Did you know that around 60% of the cookware is thrown out in the bin? But about 80% of a pan is endlessly recyclable, and production of the next pan will need 20 times less energy. That's why, since 2012, Tefal has created cookware recycling promotions with several distributors in Europe and Asia. And it's a big success. In France alone, almost 1 million products have already been recycled since 2012. But how does it work? During the promotional period, the consumer brings back its old pan to the dedicated shop, and they receive an attractive discount to buy a new Tefal pan. The old cookware is collected by the recycling partner. They manage the sorting and shredding of the products collected. The different materials are separated, and all the metallic parts like aluminum, stainless steel, or steel are entirely recyclable. In the end, the old pots and pans are turned into new products, and in some cases, Tefal even receives the recycled aluminum to manufacture new cookware. Discover Tefal Resource, the new frying pan made of recycled aluminum, an alloy which is 20% harder than standard aluminum, for durability, sustainability, and performance. Compatible with all hobs including induction, Tefal Resource is also available on Ingenio.